Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Eleni and today I'm going to paint this girl in my journal. There is a description box under this video. You have to push an arrow to open it, and inside you'll find a link to a free printable sketch of this girl that you can download and print and come and play along with me. I'm gonna start with neocolors 2 that are water-soluble crayons, and if you don't have them you can use whatever other water-soluble medium you have, like watercolors for example. I have this set of 15 neocolors, but I don't keep them in their original case because I got some extra face colors from a friend, so I had to find a case that fit them all, and this is where I keep them now. I use them with a little bit of water, not too much, and start painting with a skin color. I work intuitively, as I've said before, so I shade with whatever color inspires me at that moment. Here it was red and then blue. And this is the way I mix two colors for the cheeks. I did this girl a while ago during a period I created daily hair prompts with Angela Kennedy. I will give you the link to her YouTube channel under this video for you that are not familiar with her. So I definitely think that this girl's hair is inspired by Angela's hairstyles. This is a set of matte acrylics by Jane Davenport. They are called Making Faces Matchmaker set, and it's a set of 3 colors. You can see 2 of them here, and there is also an additional brown color in the set. And by blending these you can create different skin tones. I'll put a wash of this over the crayons, and the good thing with these acrylics is that they are matte, so I can then play with dry mediums over them. I'm using more colors of Davenport's acrylics, and at one point you can also see the small brown bottle that was part of the skin color set. You can use any acrylics you have here. Just make sure they have a matte finish if you want to continue with colored pencils like I will. Now I will shade with colored pencils, and I just have the small sets of 24 colors of them. My favorite brands that I use most are the Derwent Colorsoft, the Faber-Castell Polychromos, and Jane Davenport's Magic Wands. I also have a face color set of Prismacolors that I like. You can of course use whatever brand you have. I'm also using a black and a white Posca marker that are permanent paint pens. For the background I used Acrylics, the Neocolors 2, and I did some splashes with the fan brush. Now I have this fine line bottle filled with white acrylic and flow improver that is really fun to play with. If you don't have anything like that, you can doodle with any paint pen or crayon that you have. And this is it. Hope you came along and played with me and hope you had fun. Maybe even learned something. Thank you for being here. And don't forget to like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, but also click the bell beside the subscribe button, because this way you will be notified about my new videos. See you soon. Love and kisses.